Oh, wait, what kind of worry? For 58. Oh my. Okay, that's enough for that.
When I let the boy walk, been 30,000 in my pocket, had them niggas just like, ooh.
But I ain't gonna look as good as y'all looking it. I ain't gonna do as good as y'all do it. But let me try. Props for trying. Give me a like just for trying. Like just for trying.
So I will be doing my first ever little wig I don't know, install. I'ma try. Feel me? I'm not about this life, but I wanna try. So I'm gonna do it for y'all. I'm gonna do it for me, but I'm gonna do it for y'all. So just like and subscribe just cause I'm doing it for y'all. But anyways, if I do anything wrong in this video, if I miss a step, do a step wrong, or whatever the case may be, let me know in the comments. Don't just be watching me and laughing. Like, you can laugh, because I'm going to laugh at myself, but let me know in the comments so I know what to do next time better for y'all, because I don't want to just keep being bad at this. I want to get better. I want to progress at makeup and beauty and hair and nails. Man, y'all going to see me through the whole journey, through the whole process. But this intro is long enough. Without further ado, let's get into it. You know, for some reason we call wigs hers. Not for some reason. I know why. It's because girls wear them. So same way like guys call cars girls. I don't know. Anyways, I washed her this morning when I was in the shower. When I got up.
My mom gave it to me. Shout out to Mama Dukes. Shout out to Mama Dukes, y'all.
She gave me this wig. My mom about that life. I just so happened to be the daughter that was a tomboy growing up and was an athlete and gave a rat's ass about makeup, wigs, hair, none of that. But yeah, so I'm gonna be putting this on. I'm gonna be trying to style it. This is how it looks on the inside. I think my mom cut it already. I don't know how that works. I know like usually you do a lace, like lace comes like longer than this, but it's cut. I don't know. There's makeup in it. I washed it and I put my own type of color makeup in it. I don't know if I was supposed to do that.
I don't know if I was supposed to do that.
But I did it because I see it on YouTube videos that I be watching where other girls do it. Okay, so this part's sexy. I ain't never do a sexier part in my life. Y'all know I didn't know what a TWA was, bro. Like, and I didn't even look it up. Like, I kept telling myself, like, yo, I'm gonna look it up. Bro, I never looked it up. It took for me to come across a YouTube video where another girl who had no idea what a TWA was, she looked it up, and she told us what it meant, and it means teeny weeny afro. And I thought that was the most, I don't know, disrespectful, creative, like most simple, like, I don't know. I didn't know how to feel. Cause I'm like, I know my afro small, but it
ain't gotta be teeny weeny.
Like teeny weeny? Like, you know how small teeny weeny is? Nah. But I was like, alright, like, I guess it is teeny weeny, but damn. Okay, so do I just spray that on this? Bitch, cold as shit. Why this shit so cold? Oh, cause it says blasting freeze spray. Oh, it don't gotta be cold though. It don't gotta be that cold. This shit freezing. Yeah, I can't do this, bro. I can't. This shit bad cold. I think that's good enough, right? So now we got this joint, this black freaking wig cap that we're gonna attempt to use on a light ass blonde wig today, on a light skin ass. You know what? It's fine though. It's fine. Okay, so this shit goes on my head, right? This shit goes on my head like this, right? And do I pull it back? I think I pull it back like this, right? And then I spray the spray on it. Alright, so I don't like that. Wait, am I supposed to spray directly? I don't even know. And if y'all see me keep looking to my left, it's because I have a video on my TV screen, and I paused it so I can look at her, how her wig cap is on, and she mad pretty. Her name is Ray Salmon. It's probably Simone. I'm probably just at Ray Salmon. I mean Simone. Ray Simone, and she doing it. But she got a light skin cap, so I know it's gonna work for her. I don't think it's gonna work for me, but we gonna see. Do I cut these out yet? I don't know if I'm supposed to cut these out. Do I wait? Is it after? I think it's after. Yeah, it's definitely after. Yeah, it's definitely after. So that goes there. That goes there. That goes there. Okay, so what I did, I was supposed to cut out the ears, or I didn't cut out the ears, but I don't think it makes a difference though, because they cut out and the wig cap is still glued down and laid. I went over it with an extra spray layer of Got2b glued, and it's laid. What I'm gonna try to do, I don't know if it's gonna work. I could be just fooling myself right now and messing this whole shit up, but I'm gonna try to take some foundation and just go like at least a little bit on my forehead and my edges. You see, I tried to do it over here, but I think I did it wrong a little bit. I started it wrong, so I'm gonna try to do better on this side and work my way to that side and fix it. Bro, I don't know what I did. All I know is that this is the only wig cap I got. And if I mess this shit up and don't do it right, this video is not getting done. This video is not going up. This video is not getting posted. And I'm gonna have to do this shit another day. And it's gonna be mad work, cause like, I wanna do it now. Let's take a look. See, over here, I think I cut too much of the lace up by an accident, cause it wasn't all glued down like I thought it was. But I still think that we can make it work, because like my hair was like brushed back, the glue is making it lay down. I want to put more makeup on it, but I don't want it to look crazy, so I'm gonna just put the wig on first, see how it look, and if I put more makeup on it, I will. But I'm just showing y'all, like over here, like when I try to cut the ear part out, like it went up over here a little bit. I don't know if that's supposed to happen. I feel like I blended this in pretty well. Like the wig cap is like right here, but you can't like really tell. So I think I did that really well. I'm shocked. Yeah, so this is how that came out. Let's put the wig on. Okay, so I'm back. I'm feeling really confident about this, because I've never done this before. Like I've watched a bunch of videos and stuff, but I never done it myself before. I did my makeup. This is how I do my makeup, guys. I don't think it's anything crazy, but I did use foundation, concealer, eyeshadow. I did my eyebrows, some highlights, some couture. The best way I know how. I'm still learning, but if you want to see how I do that, put my eyelashes on. I use my fingers, by the way. Don't come at me. Because everyone want to use the tweezers and the things. No. I poke my eye out. I'm clumsy. I won't have eyes. So therefore, I use my fingers. Like, if you want to see this, how I did this, how I do everything, just like this video, comment, and subscribe. Anyways, one thing I forgot to mention is that I'm using the Got2b spray glue as the glue to glue this lace down. I'm not using the gold bond. Is that what it's called? The lace glue. I'm not using that. I'm using this because I forgot that I needed that, and 2, I don't have any, and 3, this on a budget, because they be wanting like $12 for like that little ass tube. Like, no, sweetie, I can get this shit for like $6.99 at the store, and it's gonna hold this joint down. I'm gonna snap this. I don't know if this is gonna make it better or worse, but I feel like it's gonna make it better because I think I got a big head, and it's not easy to secure this much head, you know, in a person. I don't know if I did that right. One thing I don't like about wigs is these combs, because when I was trying to wear wigs and I had like hair and stuff, like, and I ain't know how to do it, so the way I was doing it, which was the wrong way, my hair kept getting stuck in the combs. Don't look at my armpit, y'all. They shaved, but don't look at them. My hair kept getting stuck in the combs, and it would aggravate me and hurt. Facts. Let's see. Wait. I look good already. Shit, hold on now. The combs. I was telling y'all about the combs, not the combs coming after me. Cause I was talking about them. My fault combs. Y'all just painful, man. Y'all just painful. Painful on the shorty. Alright. I think I'm really slaying this oh, by the way, this is synthetic, I think. I think it's synthetic because it's shedding. My mom ain't really tell me, and my mom wouldn't give me one of her nice human hair wigs. So I ain't even bother asking. Okay, what I think I'm supposed to do is just like spray it on it and like let it like get tacky a little bit, and then like place it and then like dry, like not dry it, like put the blow dryer on it, and then like keep putting more and stuff. This shit cold. They wasn't joking when they said freeze blast or blast and freeze, whatever the fuck they said. I used to hate freaking having my skirts on tight. Now I understand why. I'm gonna have this on tight. Try to pull my ears out just a little bit because that shit hurt. Alright. Actually, all the way out because that shit do hurt. Ouch. Shit. Get my ears out this bitch. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I laid these the best way I can, to be honest. I never really knew how to lay a wig, baby hairs or like edges or whatever. Like, I can lay my own edges, and once again, the best way I can. It's very acceptable and I like it. I don't really care if anyone don't like it, I like it. So I like how I lay my edges for my hair. But for a wig, I'm not that familiar with it. But I still think it you know, it did the job that was needed is done. And the wig looks crazy right now, yes, I know. But after these edges is laid down, I'm gonna style that joint. I am going to wet it just so I can get that wet and wavy look that I didn't get by me braiding it up with gel. It did give it a little bit more in the back, which I like, but up here looks dry, so I'm gonna wet it. Just spray it, brush it out with my hand, with the brush. See, look at the difference. Look at the difference, y'all. Hold on. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, guys. This is the finished product of what I've been trying to do. Keyword trying. Can't knock me for trying. And I actually really like how it came out, minus any little flaws that I might have done or might be in it right now. I don't care. And you can go comment it below and I still won't care. You know, like I said, I am a beginner at this. I am an amateur. I'm not an expert. But that's the whole point of me getting into it. You feel me? Get into it. That's the whole point of me getting into it. So, you know, any advice, any tips, any tricks that anyone want to lend me, want to tell me, you know, anything that you heard from someone else that you want to pass down the line, just comment it down below. I would greatly appreciate it, because like I said, at the end of the day, I am an amateur. So any negative comments that anyone want to throw down there, like, oh Kiki, oh my god, her lace, or oh my god, Kiki, her eyebrow, or her lashes, or her edges, or whatever you wanna pinpoint out about me right now, about this video, and try to make it a big thing. Don't even waste your time, because I'm not going to pay no mind to it. The people with good hearts and smarts and brains and who just know what's up, like, they're not going to pay no mind to it. It's going to be you and your ignorant other people, monkey see, monkey do, and that's it. And y'all can stay over there with that, because I'm not even on that timing. I'm on a timing where I want to learn, I want to grow, and I want to continue. And with the help of y'all, I can do that. So let me know how I did. Like I said, I know it's some flaws in it. Like, I try to put makeup, like more makeup on the parts where like the glue was dripping, the spray was dripping. But I ended up putting it like on my hair a little bit. Like, you see like a brown streak. So that's that. It's like powder, like loose powder. So that's that. And like these over here with like the ear parts of the lace and the edges and stuff, I didn't really do that too well, but like I said, I'm proud because I basically completed the look. My makeup, my hair, like, can I get a round of applause? But for real though, guys, thanks for watching. If you want me to try another wig look again, I will definitely try, and I will try to do it better. I'm gonna do more research, and we're just gonna grow from there. I'm a work in progress. You are a work in progress. We are all work in progress. We are not finished. Our story is not done. We could always continue our story and keep growing. That's what I'm going to do. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you didn't like, comment, and subscribe, join the royal family, the royalty family. Join. Chai royalty here. Tune in for my next video.